Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Embracing romance. A French country home adorned in floral stripes. There is a timeless, effortless charm to French country design that speaks of sun-drenched fields and rustic elegance. This style effortlessly blends weathered woods, soft linens, and stone textures to create a space that is both refined and deeply comforting. At the heart of our design journey is a key element, a beautiful floral stripe wallpaper in a soft palette of rose and beige. This pattern will serve as our guiding thread, weaving a narrative of rustic romance throughout the home, connecting each room with a cohesive and gentle rhythm. It is a design choice that is both bold in its pattern and soft in its execution, perfectly capturing the essence of the French countryside. Let us step through the doorway and explore how this motif can transform every corner of your home into a pastoral retreat. The charm of a French country home begins long before you step inside, with an exterior that whispers of heritage and warmth. Imagine a stone or pale stucco facade adorned with climbing Pierre de Ronsard roses, their soft pink blooms echoing the hues within. A weathered wooden door, perhaps painted in a faded olive green or a soft blue, is framed by rustic shutters and ironwork lanterns. The garden is a lush, informal tapestry of lavender, sage, and more roses, designed to be beautiful and fragrant. A gravel path leads you through the blooms, crunching softly underfoot and enhancing the rustic feel. This harmonious blend of natural stone, fragrant flowers, and aged materials sets the perfect stage for the interior beauty that awaits just beyond the threshold. The entryway immediately introduces our floral stripe theme, setting a warm and welcoming tone for the entire home. Here, the rose and beige wallpaper is applied to a single focal wall, creating depth without overwhelming the space. A distressed wooden console table in a chunky rustic style stands against it, topped with a simple ceramic jug filled with fresh garden clippings. A weathered, oval-shaped mirror with a gilded or iron frame hangs above, reflecting light and the beautiful pattern. Underfoot, classic terracotta tiles or a worn, patterned runner in muted tones grounds the space. This careful curation ensures your first impression is one of understated elegance and pastoral charm. In the living room, the floral stripe wallpaper establishes a serene and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and conversation. The walls are paired with a plush, oversized sofa upholstered in a beige linen, adorned with an abundance of throw pillows in coordinating floral and textural fabrics. Exposed wooden beams on the ceiling and a large rustic armoire anchor the room with a sense of history and solidity. A central coffee table, crafted from a reclaimed wood plank or a worn trunk, holds stacks of books and a tray for tea. Soft, flowing curtains in a sheer ivory fabric filter the sunlight, making the floral pattern seem to glow from within. The overall effect is a room that feels collected over time, comfortable, and deeply personal. The bedroom becomes a soft, dreamy sanctuary where the floral striped wallpaper truly inspires rest and romance. Applied to the wall behind the bed, it creates a majestic and soothing headboard effect that defines the space. The bed itself is dressed in layers of high-quality white or ivory linens, with a delicate rose-colored quilt or knit throw adding a touch of warmth. A vintage-inspired crystal chandelier or a simple iron pendant light provides a soft, ambient glow for evening reading. Weathered nightstands on either side hold porcelain lamps and perhaps a small, framed botanical print. This room is a testament to the idea that true luxury lies in simplicity and a connection to gentle, natural beauty. The dining room, wrapped in the gentle embrace of the rose and beige stripes, becomes the ideal setting for intimate family meals and lively gatherings. A long farmhouse-style table made of solid oak or pine, marked with the gentle scars of use, takes center stage. It is surrounded by a set of mismatched ladder-back chairs, some painted in a chipped white and others left in their natural wood state. Overhead, a statement iron chandelier with candle-style bulbs casts a warm, flickering light onto the table's surface. A large rustic hutch or buffet against one wall displays collections of white stoneware and heirloom crystal. Meals here are not just about food, but about creating lasting memories in a space that feels both grand and humble. The French country kitchen is the warm, bustling heart of the home, and our floral stripe motif can be incorporated in subtle, charming ways. Instead of covering all walls, consider using the wallpaper as a backsplash behind the sink or open shelving, protected from splashes with a clear glass panel. The cabinetry is typically painted in a creamy, off-white hue with visible brush strokes and antique-style hardware. Open shelving made of reclaimed wood displays simple white dishes, woven baskets, and bundles of dried herbs. A central sturdy island might feature a butcher block top, perfect for food preparation and casual dining. The combination of practical surfaces, rustic finishes, and the delicate wallpaper creates a kitchen that is both highly functional and deeply inviting. Even the bathroom can be transformed into a pampering sanctuary that reflects the home's overall pastoral theme. Here, the floral striped wallpaper adds a touch of unexpected luxury, especially when paired with classic elements. A freestanding clawfoot tub, perhaps in a white or champagne finish, becomes the room's centerpiece against the softly patterned walls. The vanity is an antique dresser or a rustic console table retrofitted with a marble or stone sink top. Wrought iron fixtures and a framed, distressed mirror enhance the vintage, collected feel. Plush, rose-colored towels and a simple stool holding a potted lavender plant provide the final, sensory touches. This space proves that every room, no matter its function, can be a beautiful expression of French country elegance.